Hey, what's up? I'm Ayrencartier and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I thought that this was the perfect time to share with you all some of the luxury designer handbags that I currently have on my wish list. With the Christmas season being right around the corner, literally next week or this week when this video comes out, this is the perfect time to share some of these items with you all. If you are someone who is able to afford it, or you are someone who wants to buy that special someone something very, very nice for the holidays, then I have some items for you all that I love. Now these are more so my aesthetic and the kind of things that I go for, but you know, you can always go on the website and look and pick and choose and see what all may be fitting for the person that you are looking for. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello, I'm Ayrencartier. I create fashion and lifestyle content. If that is the type of content that you enjoy, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the notification bell as I upload a new video every Sunday, as well as give me a big thumbs up. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. I greatly appreciate you. You are wonderful, you are beautiful, and thank you for coming back. The first item that is going to be on my wishes is going to be from one of my favorite Black-owned brands, one of my favorite Black-owned designer handbag brands, and that's going to be Brandon Blackwood, and that is going to be the bag in the style Sylvia. Now, I haven't been on his website in a while, but let me tell you, one of the perks of being with Brandon Blackwood is you get to know everything before it comes out. He also sent everybody a $50 gift card, so it's really, you know, a great perk to be signed up with him and his emailing list if you haven't. But once I saw that gift card, I went scrolling through and I was like, okay, this bag is really cute. It's very big. I think this is the perfect bag for traveling. If you have a lot of stuff when you're on the go or going somewhere, you can fit your laptop, you can fit pretty much everything, your life in this bag. It's nice and big. It is a bit on the pricier side, coming in at $475. But like I always tell people in the world, they do have Afterpay. There is nothing wrong with Afterpay. I know I am someone, I do not always have to see all my money come right out of my account right then and there. So sometimes I do Afterpay because I just want to pay in installments, and it just makes me feel better that I'm not, you know, all my money's not gone right then and there in that one purchase. So this bag is definitely perfect for traveling. I love it. It has multiple colors, black, tan, brown, for those people that like all different types of ranges. But I think this is the perfect, beautiful traveling bag. You can also wear it as a crossbody as well. So, you know, when you're going on the beach, you can put your beach towel. I feel like it's multifunctional. So definitely have my eye on this bag, and hopefully I will be getting it someday soon. Still sticking with Brandon Blackwood, another bag that I saw on his website that I was like, oh my gosh, that is so me. It is the perfect little handbag for a night out. And like I've been saying, I'm trying to go to New York Fashion Week next year. So I feel like I need to kind of start getting more array of bags and getting different styles into my closet. And that is going to be the Courtney bag, specifically in the metallic silver and then also the metallic orange. When I saw that orange, I literally gasped and clutched my pearls because I thought it was so beautiful and it was so pretty. And like I said, I need more variety of bags in my closet. All I have is black and white. Like I need to switch it up. Sometimes I want to wear blue. I don't have a blue bag to go with that. I only have black and white. Like I need to add more variety. I'm definitely going to try to start getting into more color in 2023 just because that's just what I need to do. Stop wearing so much black all the time. But I thought this bag was so beautiful. I think it's so me. It's such a cute little handbag for when you're going around the town, when you're going on a date night. It's metallic, of course, which I love. It stands out. It's that pop that you need. If you're wearing just a plain, regular, basic outfit, then you have that nice metallic color to kind of add a bit of spice and life to your wardrobe. So definitely have my eye on Courtney, and I love the name. I just love the name Courtney. I think it's so pretty. So this bag runs and retails for $275. So not as bad as the first one, but you know, still on the pricier side for some of us out here in the world. But once again, like I said, Afterpay is definitely your friend. Now this next style of bag I have had on my wish list for a while. Not really this style, but more so the type of, I guess the type of, what do you call it? The type of brand that it is, or the type of style that it is. I've had in my wish list for a while, and that is going to be the Coach Tabby. Ever since I saw it one day walking through the airport, I was like, what is that bag? I was like, it is so pretty, it is so beautiful, it is so plush. And I went on the website and I found this beautiful lilac, lavender tabby, and it is in the style, it is going to be the pillow tabby in the shearling style, and it's a nice lavender color. And like I said, I need more color in my life, more color in my wardrobe. Am I saying that I'm going to always go and grab this bag all the time? No, but I feel like if I have on a cool, funky, colorful outfit, this will be the perfect bag to go with it because it just adds the extra pop. And I love that it's in that shearling style. I feel like that's so pretty. And it's in the purple family. Purple is my favorite color, so I feel like, you know, I'm just adding to my brain or my aesthetic. I love the color purple, so lavender is in there. But I just love the fuzziness of this. I feel like this is a bag that you're definitely going to have to take care of and keep inside the dust bag all the time just because of the material, and you don't want it to get dirty, get stained, be extra careful. But I love this bag. It retails for $4.95. They also have Klarna on here, which is where you pay in 4 installments, and you can pay $123.75 every 2 weeks, which I feel like that's not bad, but I definitely want this bag. It's so cute. They also have a green one. I wasn't really feeling the green one as much as this one. So this bag has been on my wish list for like the longest. This bag has been on my wish list probably since COVID. Like, I have been having my eye on this bag, and one day I'm going to get it. I just need to save my coin. I need to be a little smarter with my money. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll be playing around sometimes with my coin. I need to do a little better. But it's going to be the Prada Re-Edition 2005 Re-Nylon bag. I feel like I've talked about this bag before in another video, I'm not sure, but this is definitely one of my dream bags. And you're probably like, why? That bag looks so basic, it looks so plain. This bag is literally would be my everyday bag. Like, you throw it on, it's a crossbody, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. I don't know why I have been obsessed with this bag, but I have just been obsessed with it ever since I've seen people wearing it. It's just a nice, casual, everyday bag, and I love that. I definitely need something that's cute, everyday-ish. I kind of wear a fanny pack that I got from Forever 21 as my everyday bag, which there's nothing wrong with that. I love that bag, but I feel like this is just like my dream go-to bag. It's like something I can wear with any type of outfit. I can wear with a nice blazer, I can wear with a pair of jeans, I can wear with a nice turtleneck, and it's gonna look good with whatever I wear. Now this bag is definitely on the expensive side, coming in at $1,900. And I don't think Prada has Afterpay and all that stuff, but it's definitely one of my dream bags that I hope to get my hands on soon. Hopefully I get my hands on it next year, maybe. We'll see if the Lord blesses me, if the Lord feels it in his spirit to want to bless me and be like, my child, this bag I know is for you, it's destined for you, it's something that you've been wanting, and he gives it to me. So, you know, it's just chef's kiss. I love this bag so much. Alrighty guys, so that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these designer handbags that are currently on my wish list. Please let me know down in the comments some bags that you are currently looking at, some that you currently have on your wish list. They don't necessarily all have to be designer or name brand. They could be a brand that you absolutely are in love with, that you want to get their name out there and you want other people to know about. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and until I talk to you guys in my next video, as always, make sure that you shine bright like a diamond. Bye.